Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the latest beauty products. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the UB 24 Days Christmas Gift Makeup Set for 2024. If you're looking for a fun way to count down to Christmas, this makeup advent calendar is packed with surprises for makeup lovers. Let's see if it's the ultimate festive gift. The UCANBE Makeup Advent Calendar is a complete set with 24 days of beauty surprises, making it a perfect gift for any woman. Each day reveals a different product, ranging from contour, eyeshadow, highlighter, glitter powder, and lip gloss, to nail polishes, mascara, and even hair accessories. These products come in various sizes with several full-sized items included, providing great value for a holiday countdown experience. I was excited to try this out, especially since it promises a variety of makeup essentials for the holidays. Each window hides a surprise, and it was a blast discovering what beauty treat awaited me. The products themselves are practical for daily use or special occasions, with items like the dual-ended lip gloss and lipstick, highlighter, and eyeshadow palettes offering both versatility and fun. Performance-wise, the products are pretty solid. The eyeshadows offer decent pigmentation, the lip products are smooth, and the mascara gave my lashes volume. While the makeup isn't ultra high-end, it holds up well for a holiday advent calendar. However, the quality may not match that of premium brands, so if you're after a top-tier performance, you might want to look elsewhere. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the sheer excitement of opening a new beauty surprise every day makes this a fantastic gift idea. The value for money is also impressive, considering the 24 full-sized and mini products included. The diversity of makeup types means there's something for everyone, whether you're into eye makeup, skincare, or nails. However, the packaging could be a bit sturdier, as some of the smaller items felt a bit flimsy when I opened them. In comparison to other similar advent calendars, the UCANBE set stands out for its mix of beauty products and fun, festive vibe. It's a budget-friendly option compared to high-end calendars, making it a great entry-level advent calendar without compromising too much on enjoyment. When compared to pricier sets like those from Charlotte Tilbury or Benefit, UCANBE's value for money is excellent, but it doesn't quite hit the luxury mark. As for value, this set is a steal. Given the number of products included, you're getting a lot for your money. While it's not as high quality as some of the premium options, the fun factor and variety make it a solid pick for anyone wanting a playful holiday beauty countdown. The build quality of the products is mostly decent. Most of the makeup feels reliable, though some of the accessories like the nail stickers and hair clip might not be as durable. It's not a major issue, but something to keep in mind. The user-friendliness is great too. Everything is easy to use, especially for beginners looking to explore new products without feeling overwhelmed. I didn't have to reach out to customer support, but considering the quality of the packaging and the variety of items, I suspect the company would be helpful if you had any issues. In real-world use, the products performed well for daily wear, particularly the eyeshadows and lip products. They aren't designed to last all day, but for a fun daily treat, they worked perfectly. If you're looking for a festive gift that delivers an array of makeup products without breaking the bank, I would definitely recommend the UCANBE Makeup Advent Calendar. Whether you're treating yourself or someone special, it's an exciting way to enjoy the countdown to Christmas. For longevity, while the products are fun and useful, they may not hold up as well as some high-end products over time, but they're perfect for short-term use. If you're considering cheaper alternatives, there are some decent makeup calendars available, but most of them come with fewer products or are less varied. This one offers an excellent selection for the price point, so unless you're looking for something ultra-luxurious, UCANBE is a great option. If you've enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Beautyistic. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any comments or questions about the product below. Whether you own it or are considering gifting it, I'd love to hear your thoughts.